Everyone's afraid AI will take their job. But here's the truth. AI isn't your biggest threat. Your lack of adaptability is. You don't need to learn how to code or become an AI engineer overnight. But if you don't learn how to work with AI, you'll be left behind. Let me tell you what changed everything for me. Learning how to think in systems and solve real problems. When ChatGPT dropped, I didn't panic. I studied it. I learned how to use it to write faster, analyze better, automate tasks. Suddenly, I was 10x more productive. Not because I was smarter, but because I learned how to leverage tools. Today's most valuable skill, prompt engineering. It's not about knowing everything. It's about asking better questions and turning AI into your assistant, not your replacement. If you ignore this shift, AI won't take your job. Someone using AI will. So here's what to do tonight. Pick one AI tool. ChatGPT, Notion AI, Excel Copilot, anything. Learn one workflow where it saves you time. Build a habit of using it daily. Adaptability is the new IQ. Don't fear AI. Learn to lead with it.